When you receive your floss starter kit, the first thing you'll want to do is open the container and load your new bobbin of floss into the refillable case. Locate the two tabs on the bottom surface. Press both of those tabs at the same time to remove the inner cover. If you can't do this with your fingernail, or have some dexterity issues, no worries. You can also use a ring to pop these tabs down with just a little bit of pressure. Place the bobbin of floss on the center spool and thread the floss around the dispensing post. If you're looking at it, it should be on the left side. Pull a good amount of floss through the cutter and then snap the lid right back into place. Cleaning in between your teeth with string floss can be kind of tricky, so here's a quick step-by-step tutorial. First, you're going to gather 12 to 16 inches of our floss around one of your middle fingers. If you don't want to measure, it's about the distance from your fingertips to your elbow. You're going to call this the clean side. Wind a couple of inches on the other middle finger as a second floss holder. This is going to be your dirty section. Pinch the floss with your thumb and pointer finger securely, leaving about an inch in between the right and left floss holders. Gently glide the floss in between each tooth and make your way toward the gum line. Try to avoid snapping past that tight point if you can, and if you need to, you can shimmy back and forth a little bit. When you get right to the tissue, make sure the floss hugs the tooth in a C shape, allowing it to disappear right under the gums. That's where the worst germs really like to hide. Move the floss up and down the length of each tooth 3 to 4 times, scraping the plaque from the sides of the tooth. The floss is black so you can see what's lurking in between your teeth. As you clean in between each tooth, move the dirty floss over to the proper middle finger so you have a clean piece each time you move to the next tooth. If you feel like flossing is difficult, you're definitely not alone. Every mouth is different, and practice does make perfect.